Have you ever tasted that sweet, tangy fruit filled with juicy golden pulp and crunchy seeds? What if I tell you, this exotic fruit can start giving income within just 8 to 10 months, and that too organically? Yes, friends, today we are talking about passion fruit farming. In the next few minutes, let's understand how to start organic passion fruit farming step by step. First, climate and variety. Passion fruit grows best in tropical and subtropical regions with temperatures between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. It prefers well-drained, sandy loam soil. Remember, waterlogging can damage the roots. There are two main types. Purple variety, suitable for slightly cooler areas and known for strong flavor. Yellow variety, better for warm and humid climates with vigorous growth. Since it is a climbing vine, strong trellis support is very important for better yield and easy harvesting. Now let's talk about organic cultivation. Instead of chemical fertilizers, use farmyard manure, vermicompost, and biofertilizers. Mulching with straw helps retain moisture and control weeds naturally. For pest control, spray neem oil or other natural extracts. Regular pruning improves air circulation and increases flowering. Drip irrigation is highly recommended. It saves water and prevents root rot. Healthy soil leads to healthy vines and better fruits. Harvest when the fruits turn deep purple or bright yellow and start slightly wrinkling. Under good management, 1 acre can produce around 8 to 12 tons per year. Organic passion fruit often sells 30 to 40% higher in the market, with strong demand from juice companies, bakeries, and fresh fruit markets. Yes, initial investment for trellis and drip system is required, but with proper planning, returns can be attractive. So friends, organic passion fruit farming is a smart opportunity, sustainable, high value, and profitable. Would you try passion fruit farming on your land? If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more practical farming guides. See you in the next video.